Hi, are you spending thousands on voice AI campaigns but just can't prove their ROI? Your clients are asking tough questions and you don't have clear answers. If this sounds familiar, I've got the solution that changes everything. Today, I'm showing you voiceaiwrapper, the platform that transforms confusing voice AI data into crystal clear dashboards. Whether you're an agency trying to keep clients happy or a business maximizing your AI investment, this tool makes your results impossible to ignore. And the best part, zero coding required. So here's what we're covering today. First, how to set up professional looking dashboards in under 30 minutes. Second, how to automatically capture call insights, call recordings, and caller data. And third, how to seamlessly integrate leading voice AI providers out there like Vapi, ElevenLabs, Conversational AI, or even Retell. By the end of this video, you will have everything that you need to prove real ROI from voice AI campaigns. Okay, to get started, head over to voiceaiwrapper.com and fire up a free trial account. Then, once you are inside your trial account, you can connect your existing Vapi or ElevenLabs conversational AI or your retail account, and the setup is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is add your Vapi or your ElevenLabs conversational AI or your retail AI keys, and everything that you have created in your respective voice API provider gets synced. We'll now go into one of these pods. So I'm going to enter the Vapi pod. And as you can see, all my assistants inside my Vapi account has been synced, and so have been my phone numbers. So everything that you've created inside your Vapi account or your ElevenLabs conversational AI account or your retail account gets synced here. I'll then head over to campaigns. We segregate inbound and outbound workflow into campaigns. This keeps the data separate and the reporting separate. So the first thing that I'm going to do is create an inbound campaign. So I can just click on add campaign, select inbound, and there you go. I already have a campaign created. Now in this campaign, I can associate a specific agent and a phone number. I can also decide whether if it's an after hours campaign and when does this agent need to be active. And if I need to send the call information, because during this campaign, the AI is going to capture the names, the numbers, and whatever information you wanted to capture during inbound calls, it's going to capture them. And if you want to send that information, let's say over to a N8N automation, or let's say your GHL CRM, then you can just create a webhook, inbound webhook, and just add it here. And it's going to send all that information over to your CRM or to an automation that you've created. There's also an added functionality that we offer to create a web widget. This can capture incoming queries on your website and look something like this. There are a lot of granular controls on how you can configure this widget. You can also brand it under your brand name and add your logo, and you can add it to your client's website, or you can add your client's logo, as you wish. Now, when this campaign is activated, you will be able to capture the details of everybody who's been calling your inbound number, and you will be able to go ahead and look at their call, their transcripts, listening to their call recordings. You will also get detailed analytics on how your incoming call flow has been looking like. There are granular details, how many new contacts have been created, what have been the busiest day of the week or the month, so on and so forth. Yeah. So this is how you set up you connect your inbound agent to your voiceaiwrapper account, and then you white label all of it and offer like great looking dashboard to your clients. You can follow a similar process for creating outbound campaigns. I can head over to campaigns, and before I get started, if you have high volume call flow, you can add a functionality which we call number pools. Number pools allows you to add hundreds of numbers which work in rotation. So if you have high volume calls, then that high volume load is distributed across multiple numbers in round robin. Now we'll go back to campaigns, and you can click on add campaign, and you see that You can create an outbound campaign with a single number, or you can also add a number pool. I've created one for you. Call it sample campaign. And when you're creating an outbound campaign, now you have the option to feed leads into the campaign automatically using an API. We offer an API with which you can add leads. You can also dynamically remove leads from your campaign, and you can also update lead information. So if you're using content or lead attributes to personalize the call, and you want it to be very updated based on what's changing in your CRM, then you can use the update lead API to dynamically change the values in your call campaigns. Next, we have granular controls on campaign settings. One of the very useful features that you can use to maximize your connects is the callback feature. So what this means is if your agent is making a call, and let's say the contact says call me back in 5 minutes, using this feature you can have your agent call back the contact exactly in 5 minutes, and that dramatically improves your connect rate if you're doing outbound. Moving forward, you have controls over campaign schedule. You can also control the frequency of the dials. You can control how many dials you're making in a day, how you want to spread out the number of dials, the maximum number of attempts that you want to make per lead. And we also have an option where you can send all this campaign data to, let's say, a make.com automation or a N8N automation or your CRM by adding a inbound webhook here. Once you're done with this, if you just hit launch campaign, now your campaign is going to be live and the agent will be able to make calls automatically. Just like the way you generated analytics for your incoming calls, the system also generates analytics and information and insights for your outbound campaigns, and this can be shared with your clients. So let me show you how to add a client and how you can control what information you want to share with your client. Okay, to onboard clients and set up client accounts, there are two methods. One is the manual method, and then we have an automated method where you can onboard clients in a SaaS mode. So let's talk about the manual method. When you add a client and add their email, this automatically creates a client account in your Stripe, and you can manage all your client billing using our payment integration with Stripe. You just need to add your Stripe keys, and that connects every client that you onboard using voiceaiwrapper to your Stripe account. Now, moving forward, once you've created a client account, you can go ahead and add users and assign a username and password. Under asset groups, you can decide what agent, which campaign you want to be associated with this particular client account. And under client access, you can control what level of visibility and what level of rights do they have to these assets. Yeah. So which means you can also allow them to edit the agent prompt, or you can disable prompt editing and make it view only, or hide it altogether. Yeah. Similarly, at the campaign level, you have controls over how you want them to access your campaigns, and you also have controls over whether you want the call logs to be viewable, exportable by your clients, including controls on analytics. Right. Once you're done with this, under billing, you can simply go ahead and activate any of the plans that you have created for your clients, and when the client logs into your white label portal, they'll have to start paying before they start using your services. Right. So this is the manual client onboarding process. Under SaaS Creator, you can create multiple products to resell to your clients, and you can create a pricing table like this. There are a lot of controls which gives you very granular controls over the text, the details inside the plans that you are adding to your pricing table. And once you're done configuring your pricing table, you can either take the embed code, embed it directly on your site, or you can take the link behind these CTAs and embed it behind a CTA on your site. And once this is done, what is going to happen is when people come in and let's say click on start now, this entire process of adding a client account, adding their email address, adding a user ID, a password, assigning a plan, a payment plan. All of that gets automated. Yeah. All right, and that's how you transform voice AI mystery into measurable profit. You now have the blueprint to create dashboards that actually drive business results. If this solved one of your biggest voice AI headaches, hit that like button and please subscribe. I share new voice AI strategies almost every week that and can help agencies and businesses win. Drop a comment. Tell me what voice AI topic you want me to cover next. Maybe advanced integrations or campaign optimization. I create videos based on your request. If you're ready to try this for yourself, just go to voiceaiwrapper.com and start your free trial right now. There's no credit card requirement, and the lowest plans start at $29 per month. Our team provides 24/7 support to help you succeed. So remember, clear data drives results, and confusing data drives confused clients. Get started with that free trial, and I'll see you in the next video.